Hallo julle, my naam is Heino Neef, ek is van Botawil in die Vrystaat en hierdie is my inskrywing vir die kontrak seisoen 2. Die mentors saam met wie ek graag sal wil werk, sal wees Terren Lam en Monique Stein, maar dit sal eerlikwaar 'n voorreg wees om saam met enige een van die mentors te werk. Hierdie is my inskrywing, hoop julle geniet hom. Dankie.
Talking about what is a wanting country, what gives them the right to wear a pair of beat-up boots. Is it the size of your ties and your thighs or your wildest buddies? Well, give me a minute, let me hit you with some hometown truth. Yeah, you can be a cowboy on the Texas plains or a plowboy waiting on the rain. We're all a little different, but we're all the same. Everybody's doing their own thing. I got my dirt road cred when I was 12 on no cab tractor, hauling them bills, bagging them boats, fishing in blinds, running bird dogs through them Georgia pines. Step side covered down in peanut dust, Friday night spotlight, and that was us. It might not have been you, but I can't just be proud of what makes your country. Does this run in your blood? Did it come from your daddy or mama? Were you converted by an Alabama song on the radio that feels so right? Did you lock eyes with a little green-eyed girl from Jackson? Tell me what got you, I just gotta know. Me, I got my Sunday learning in a live oak church, silver queen corn and a backyard dirt, waiting for the fall to finally come along, so I can grab my gun and get my outside on. Step side covered down in peanut dust, Friday night spotlight, and that was us. It might not have been you, but I can't just be proud of what makes your country. Ow! Whatever makes your country. You might be from a city or a little farm town, whatever kind of square that you drove around.